In this video we're gonna check if we can install GCam on POCO F7 Pro. So first of all we're gonna go to the Play Store and we're gonna search for an app that is called GCam. This is the one that we are looking for. I'm gonna install it and we're gonna check if it is possible to get the GCam on this phone. So let's open the app. I'm gonna allow notifications. Camera to API module is enabled, so it is a good information. However, right now GCam is not available for this specific device. I'm gonna tap to just request the GCam. So in the future, if you are watching this video later, you can check out if this is actually updated. But what you can also do, you can switch to GCams at the bottom, and we can try to find the GCam app that is made for different similar device. So we're gonna enter the name of POCO. There we go, and we're gonna scroll all the way down. And as you can see, even over here we have some checks. So I'm just gonna use this one. I'm gonna use POCO X7 over here, and I'm gonna start downloading. Of course, we have an ad, not app. And we're gonna wait for the ad to be closed. I believe we can also tap over here. There we go. And let's download the app to see if it works. There we go. Now over here I'm gonna just press OK, and instead of using this app, I'm gonna actually go to the Files app by Google. I'm gonna go to Downloads, and I'm gonna try to install this one. We need to go to Settings in order to let the file manager be able to install unknown apps, since the app didn't came from the Play Store, so we are notified about it. And by default, we are not allowed to do so unless we actually allow installing from unknown apps. And let's press install. And soon the app should be installed. There we go. So now we should be able to find it, for example, in the app drawer. And let's see if it actually works. I'm gonna grant permissions. Okay. So it seems that the photo mode is now working. We can actually take photos. Let's switch to the front camera. It works as well. Let's see if different modes work. Sometimes in these cases, due to incompatibility, the app may crash. But it seems that over here in this case it is actually working. We can also record video, so this is pretty great. So it seems that the GCam is actually working. We have different modes over here as well. So yeah, I guess GCam can be used on POCO F7 Pro. So if you want to get the working version, you can try to get the Xiaomi POCO F6 version from here, or actually F7. I think I used X7 actually, yeah. So get the X7 version. It should work just fine. Or you can also try to get the X7 Pro, but X7 has newer GCam version, so I can actually recommend using this one. And that's about it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!